So traditionally, we'd kind of worked with our marketing team were working with Excel lists. So we would go to Yellow Pages, et cetera, and kind of collate that data. And every maybe 2-3 years, we would then go back and do a bit of a review on, are these companies still in existence? Have they merged, et cetera, et cetera. And then we'd end up with a new spreadsheet, or we would edit the old one. And it got to that point where kind of version control was getting a little bit out of hand, and we didn't know if we were sending it to the right list, to a list from 2 years ago. And we said, this isn't probably the way that we should be doing this now. There must be a smarter way. Initially, we had an in-house kind of CRM bolted onto our existing kind of back-end system that one of our developers created, but it was very kind of purpose-built for a specific market that we were working on. And as we kind of went to them and said, oh, can you add this? Can you add that? It was taking a lot of time to develop something that we then thought maybe there's kind of almost an out-of-the-box solution that we could go and buy that would do all of this and save us the development cost in-house.